Yo, what's up everybody? It's Brandon. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping into my personal favorite place, the kitchen. But we're not just talking about any ordinary kitchen appliances, we're diving deep into the world of smart ovens. Yeah, you heard that right. These aren't your grandma's ovens. We're talking ovens that can connect to your phone, preheat on command, and even recognize the food you're about to cook. So whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, stick around as we break down the top smart ovens on the market, highlighting all the pros and cons to help you decide which one is right for you. Let's get cooking. First up, we're taking a look at a true pioneer in the smart oven game, the June oven. This innovative appliance has been making waves in the kitchen tech world, and for good reason. This thing is sleek, it's stylish, and it's packed with features. From the moment you set eyes on it, you can tell it's a high-quality piece of equipment. I mean, just look at this design. The clean lines and modern aesthetic make it a perfect fit for any contemporary kitchen. The June oven boasts a minimalist design with a vibrant touchscreen display that's super intuitive to use. The interface is user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to navigate through the various settings and options. But it's not just about looks. This oven is seriously smart. It comes with a range of preset cooking programs that take the guesswork out of meal prep. It uses artificial intelligence to recognize different types of food and automatically adjust cooking settings for optimal results. Imagine never having to worry about overcooking or undercooking your meals again. And the camera inside? Game changer. This feature allows the oven to monitor the cooking process in real time, ensuring that everything is cooked to perfection. You can monitor your food from your phone without even having to open the oven door. Talk about convenience. This means you can multitask and manage other chores while keeping an eye on your meal. Plus, it preheats incredibly fast, which is a huge plus for those weeknight meals when you're short on time. No more waiting around for the oven to get up to temperature. Now let's talk about the cooking performance. The June oven is versatile and can handle a variety of cooking tasks with ease. The June oven delivers consistent results, whether you're baking, roasting, or even air frying. Your cookies will come out perfectly golden, and your roast chicken will be juicy and flavorful. It's like having a sous chef built right in. With multiple cooking modes, you can experiment with different recipes and techniques. But of course, no tech is perfect. There are a few things to consider before making a purchase. One thing to keep in mind is the price. The June oven sits at the higher end of the spectrum, so it's definitely an investment. However, for the features and performance it offers, many find it worth the cost. The June oven sits at the higher end of the spectrum, so it's definitely an investment. If you're someone who loves cooking and wants the best tools, it might be a worthwhile splurge. Another thing to consider is the size. It's a countertop oven, so it might not be the best option for large families or those who frequently cook for a crowd. Make sure you have enough space in your kitchen to accommodate it. It's a countertop oven, so it might not be the best option for large families or those who frequently cook for a crowd. However, for smaller households or individuals, it's a fantastic addition. Overall, the June oven is a premium smart oven that delivers exceptional performance and convenience. It's perfect for those who want to elevate their cooking experience without the hassle. If you're serious about upgrading your kitchen game and budget isn't a major concern, the June oven is definitely worth checking out. It's a blend of technology and culinary excellence that can transform your cooking routine. Next up, we have the Tovala Smart Oven, and this one's a bit different. Unlike traditional ovens or even other smart ovens, the Tovala Smart Oven is designed to be part of a larger ecosystem. It's not just a smart oven, it's an entire cooking system designed to work seamlessly with Tovala's meal delivery service. This means you get more than just an appliance. You get a comprehensive solution for meal preparation. Think of it like this: Blue Apron meets a supercharged countertop oven. The convenience of meal kits combined with the intelligence of a smart oven makes for an unbeatable duo. You get pre-portioned ingredients delivered to your door, and the Tovala oven takes care of the rest. No more worrying about measuring or prepping. It's all done for you. The oven itself is compact and user-friendly, with a simple interface that guides you through the cooking process. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll find it easy to use. Just scan the barcode on your meal kit, pop it in the oven, and let Tovala do its thing. The oven automatically adjusts cooking times and temperatures to ensure your meal is cooked to perfection. One of the biggest advantages of the Tovala Smart Oven is its simplicity. It takes the guesswork out of cooking, making it a great option for beginners or anyone who wants to put delicious meals on the table without the hassle. It takes all the guesswork out of cooking, making it a great option for beginners or anyone who wants to put delicious meals on the table without the hassle. Imagine coming home after a long day and having a gourmet meal ready in minutes. The meal delivery service is a huge part of the Tovala experience, offering a variety of recipes that cater to different dietary needs and preferences. Whether you're vegan, gluten-free, or just a picky eater, there's something for everyone. However, the reliance on Tovala's meal kits can also be a limiting factor. If you prefer to cook with your own ingredients, you might find this aspect restrictive. While you can technically use the oven for other cooking tasks, its functionality really shines when paired with their meal service. The pre-programmed settings are optimized for Tovala's recipes, ensuring the best results. Another thing to note is that the meal kits can get a bit pricey over time. If you're on a tight budget, this might be something to consider. But if you value convenience and consistently tasty meals, the Tovala Smart Oven is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for busy families, professionals, or anyone who wants to enjoy home-cooked meals without the effort. Chapter 3. Now let's talk about a true kitchen workhorse, the Breville Smart Oven Air. This appliance is not just another oven, it's a game changer for anyone who loves to cook or bake. This thing is a beast, offering a wide range of cooking functions in one sleek package. We're talking convection baking, which ensures your cakes and cookies come out perfectly every time. Air frying, which gives you that crispy texture without the extra oil. Toasting for your morning bread. Broiling for that perfect steak. Dehydrating for homemade snacks, and more. It's like having a mini professional kitchen right on your countertop. Imagine the convenience of having all these functions in one compact unit. The Breville Smart Oven. Air is known for its exceptional performance and versatility. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned chef, this oven adapts to your needs. It delivers consistent, even cooking results across all its functions, thanks to its Element IQ technology that automatically adjusts the heating elements for optimal performance. This means no more hot spots or uneven cooking. One of the standout features of this oven is its large capacity. You won't have to worry about fitting your larger dishes. It can easily accommodate a 13-inch pizza, a whole chicken, or even a large casserole dish, or even a 9 by 13-inch baking pan. This makes it perfect for family dinners or entertaining guests. And despite its robust functionality, the Breville Smart Oven Air is surprisingly user-friendly. The controls are intuitive, making it easy for anyone to use. And it comes with a variety of presets for different cooking tasks. Whether you're roasting, baking, or air frying, there's a preset for that. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the size. This oven is definitely a countertop space hog. You'll need to make sure you have enough room to accommodate its footprint. But if you can spare the space, it's well worth it. But if you're looking for a do-it-all appliance that can handle all your cooking needs, the Breville Smart Oven Air is a fantastic option. It's a versatile, reliable, and efficient addition to any kitchen. Chapter 4. Next up, we have the Amazon Smart Oven, and as you might expect, it's all about that seamless integration with Amazon's ecosystem. If you're already invested in the Alexa world, this oven will feel right at home in your smart kitchen. You can control it with your voice, preheat the oven, set timers, and even order supplies using just your voice. But the Amazon Smart Oven is more than just a voice-activated appliance. It's also a capable countertop oven that delivers solid performance across a variety of cooking tasks. It features convection cooking, air frying, and even has a built-in microwave, making it a true multitasker in the kitchen. One of the coolest features is the integration with Amazon Fresh and Whole Foods Market. You can order groceries directly from the oven's touchscreen display and have them delivered straight to your door. However, the reliance on Alexa can be a double-edged sword. If you're not a fan of voice assistants or you're not heavily integrated into the Amazon ecosystem, you might not fully utilize all of its features. Overall, the Amazon Smart Oven is a solid choice for anyone looking for a versatile countertop oven with seamless Alexa integration. Chapter 5. Last but not least, we have the Anova Precision Oven, and this one's for the serious cooks out there. Anova is known for their exceptional sous vide devices, and they've brought that same level of precision and control to this oven. The Anova Precision Oven is designed to deliver professional-level results with its precise temperature control and steam cooking capabilities. It's like having a steam oven and a sous vide cooker all in one. One of the standout features of this oven is its connected app. It offers a wide range of recipes and guides you through every step of the cooking process, ensuring perfect results every time. And if you're a fan of sous vide cooking, you'll love the dedicated sous vide mode that allows you to achieve restaurant-quality results at home. But all this precision comes at a price. The Innova Precision Oven is definitely an investment, and it might be overkill for casual cooks. Another thing to consider is the learning curve. This oven is packed with features, and it takes some time to master all its capabilities. Overall, the Innova Precision Oven is a game changer for serious home cooks who demand the utmost precision and control in their cooking. So there you have it, guys. Those are some of the hottest smart ovens on the market right now. From sleek designs to advanced cooking tech, these ovens are changing the game in the kitchen. Whether you're looking for convenience, precision, or just a way to up your cooking game, there's a smart oven out there for you. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments down below which smart oven you're thinking about picking up, or maybe you already have one. Let me know your experience. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.